BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is used to solve this type of problems. BODMAS means B means bracket, O order, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Now we have to solve this problem by stepwise. 1 by 3 answer 1 by 3 plus 5 into bracket 2 plus 5 7 by 3 minus 10 divided by 2 into 3. Second step, bracket is over. Second step, 1 by 3 order is 5 into this. 5 7s are 35 by 3 minus 10 divided by 2 into 3. Third step, division. Division is here. 10 divided by 2. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 5 remains only. 1 by 3 as it is plus 35 by 3 minus 5 into 3. Now 1 by 3 plus 35 by 3 minus 5 3s are 15 by 1. Here take LCM. 3 3 1 LCM is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1 plus 35 1s are 35 minus 15 3s are 45. This equal to, next step is multiplication is over. Addition 35 plus 1 is 36 minus 45 by 3. This equal to 36 minus 45 is minus 9 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore answer is minus 3. Minus 3 is answer.